Part 8. Fruit. Learn English through stories.
Santal is a round, tropical fruit with a thick rind and tangy, juicy flesh. Its sweet-sour flavor is perfect for making jams or syrups. I love eating it fresh, dipping the pulp in salt and chili for a flavorful snack. It's both fun and delicious. Chirimoya, also known as the custard apple, is creamy, sweet flesh with hints of pineapple and banana. I enjoy eating it chilled with a spoon. Its soft texture and tropical flavor make it feel like a natural dessert. Truly a fruit lover's dream.
Finger lime is a unique citrus fruit with tiny, pearl-like juice vesicles inside. These citrus caviar beads pop with a tangy flavor. I love sprinkling them on seafood or desserts for a burst of freshness. Its bright taste and fun texture make it unforgettable.
Horn melon, also called guano, has a spiky orange shell and vibrant green pulp. Its taste is a mix of cucumber and lime. I enjoy scooping out the juicy seeds and adding them to fruit salads for a tropical twist. It's both exotic and refreshing.
Momochillo is a green, round fruit with tangy, juicy flesh. I love popping them open and enjoying their tart sweet taste on summer afternoons.
Pulassan is similar to rambutan with a thick, spiky skin. Its sweet, juicy flesh is perfect for eating fresh.
Yumberry is a small, red-purple fruit with a tart, juicy flavor. It's popular in juices and snacks. I love its refreshing taste. Jamaica cherry is a tiny, red fruit with sweet, juicy flesh. It's perfect for snacking or making jams. Its flavor is surprisingly addictive.
Bale, also called wood apple, has a hard shell and aromatic sweet pulp. Its golden flesh is often made into drinks or herbal teas. I enjoy it as a refreshing juice on hot days. Bael's unique flavor and health benefits make it a cherished tropical delight.
Yellow passion fruit has bright yellow skin and aromatic pulp. Its tangy sweetness is perfect for juices, desserts, or as a topping for yogurt. Suriname cherry is a small, ripe fruit that turns bright red when ripe. Its sweet and tangy flavor is refreshing. I love eating it fresh from the tree or using it in jams. Packed with vitamins, this tropical fruit is both delicious and healthy, perfect for a quick snack. Camu camu is a small red-purple fruit from the Amazon rainforest. It's rich in vitamin C and has a tangy taste. I enjoy it in smoothies or as juice. Its health benefits and refreshing flavor make it a favorite addition to my daily drinks. Black sapote is known as chocolate pudding fruit for its sweet, creamy texture. I enjoy it as a healthy dessert option. Feijoa is a green fruit with soft, aromatic flesh. Its taste combines pineapple, guava, and mint. I love eating it fresh with a spoon.
Star apple has a shiny, purple skin and sweet, creamy flesh. When sliced, it reveals a star shape inside. It's deliciously refreshing.
White mulberries are small, sweet fruits with a pale color. They are soft, juicy, and perfect for snacking. I enjoy them fresh or dried as a healthy treat.
Jackfruit is a giant fruit with sweet, fragrant pods. Its flavor is like a mix of banana and pineapple. It's great fresh or cooked in dishes.
Water apple, also called rose apple, has crisp, juicy flesh and a mild sweetness. Its bell shape makes it visually appealing.
Hog plum is a tropical fruit with a sour, juicy flavor. It's often used in chutneys or pickles. I enjoy its tangy taste fresh with salt. Thank you. Follow us to learn English by stories.